The secret to being instantly likable is not about looks, money, or being the loudest in the room. The real secret is authentic charisma. It's what makes people want to be around you without you even trying. And the best part, you don't have to fake it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to be effortlessly likable in any situation. Let's dive in. Most people think likability is about impressing others, but here's the truth. People don't like you for who you are. They like you for how you make them feel. The formula is simple. Warmth, making others feel comfortable. Authenticity, being real, not trying too hard. Confidence, relaxed energy, not arrogance. Master these and you will become naturally magnetic. But how do you apply them? Which brings us to the 5 simple techniques for instant connection. 1. The 2-second smile rule. When making eye contact, hold a subtle smile for 2 seconds. This signals approachability. 2. Genuine compliments with a twist. Instead of saying nice shoes, say those shoes really fit your style. It makes the compliment personal and meaningful. 3. Use their names casually. People love hearing their name. It makes them feel valued. Just don't overdo it. 4. Listen like you actually care. Most people listen to respond. Likeable people listen to understand. Use small nods, mirror expressions, and ask follow-up questions. 5. Ask unique questions. Skip the boring small talk. Try, what is something exciting that happened to you this week? It sparks deeper, more memorable conversations. Here is a simple trick. Act as if everyone already likes you. Think about it. When you assume people enjoy your presence, you relax, open up, and naturally become more charismatic. Your energy shifts and people feel it. Now, here's a challenge. Try just one of these techniques today. Then come back and comment. Did you notice any difference? And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more self-growth tips. See you in the next one.